This is a 2020 Toyota Corolla SE. On the existing cars, this is a push button where you physically feel the spring in the distance. This is now a gentler push, and you can hear the blinkers, the hazards go on. Dead center. It doesn't light up over here telling you it's on during the daylight, which is a downside of the hazards, but at least you know they go on your dashboard. So they eliminated the light, which is a good thing. It saves on parts and products and of course the expense, but some people will prefer to see some of the lights. This is the air conditioner climate control. Very simple to go on and operate. It's not a dual climate control. It could have been, but it is what it is. It's very simple to operate. Your front defrosters, rear defrosters, face, foot, and economy mode, which is now on there. Recirculating air, which they could have brought into a single switch, then a separate switch by itself. It's either one or the other. And then your AC on or off, and this is your raising of the fan, which they could have brought a little bit better. And I'll bring the camera a little closer so you can see. I wish this was a little bit bigger and better design, so you can at least know you're on a fan. You don't see the actual controls. So on that note, thank you very much for viewing. Just one reminder. I want to restart my car. I left my trunk open, and I want to see if this thing will ding like hell, telling me my trunk is open. So here we go in reverse. So there's my trunk open, not dinging like the older car, the 2016. The thing will at least tell you your trunk was open. So that's a bad thing. Just showing me a picture doesn't help. But having the door open, oh yeah, foot on the brake, dinging like hell, but not the trunk.